Good evening, guys. I hope you guys are enjoying your weekend. Just got home from a little barbecue with my dad to family friends. Had some great carne asada, chicken, what else? And some ribs. I ain't got much to say today. I just had a hot cocoa shake from Jack in the Box. Ran up these stairs and brother, I can barely breathe. Swirlix and Mungus. Let's do a double pack. Let's see if we can get this open in time. Just gonna not even no pack trick, nothing. Let's go. Torterra Hollow. Dang it. Have a nice day, guys.